besties. Hey besties. This is a real, like, look at my growth. This is a real candid moment. Like, this is mad candid. Like, I don't like my hair like this and these gel braids be disrespectful. But hey besties, hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, oh my god, the fact that I'm doing this YouTube intro is kind of cliche. But if you're new here, my name is Kay, and this is basically my dump page, my everything, my whatever I want it to be YouTube. So today I'm going to be doing I'm not even going to say it's a wig tutorial because I still classify myself as a beginner. Like, even though my wigs look 10 times different than what they look like as when I first started doing wigs, I still don't think like I'm like as efficient yet. But I've been practicing for about 9 months. I've been practicing since December of 2022. So I've been doing wigs straight since then. And I think I've been doing a little better now, but I wanted to record a better quality video of me installing this wig. It's behind me, but y'all can't see it. And if y'all see the clothes, that's the clothes that I got from thrifting, which you're gonna see in the other vlog, but you're not gonna see now. So, yeah.
Hey guys, it's me, the voice in your head, JK. It's just me in a voiceover. So I'm gonna try and do a voiceover. I mean, I'm not a pro, and maybe I'll just do an in-depth video later, but I clean my forehead with alcohol, and then I'm putting the Got2b glue to brush back my edges. I've heard that the black one is better. I will say I don't get any white casting with this one, but I mean, like, it's neither here nor there. Yeah, you see, I'm putting my wig cap on. To be honest, my hair was so outgrown that honestly this was probably like not the best bald cap I did. Like, it still held up, it was pretty good, but it wasn't laying like the way I wanted it to lay. But it didn't really matter because this is a curly unit. The unit is I got it from AliExpress. I'll put all the details in the bio because I don't know it, but I got it from AliExpress. It's 180 density. I only get 180 density. It is a deep wave, I think it's called, curly wig, HD lace, all of that jazz, and it's 30 inches, 32 inches, I think. So I got it pretty long. Here it is, and this is like my 4th time reinstalling it or something like that, or 3rd time reinstalling it, 4th time wearing it, I think, something like that. And this lace has held up really good, and this is why I always go with 180 density as opposed to 150, because especially with curly units, it sheds a lot. I mean, this unit didn't really shed that much, but curly units do shed, obviously, because it's a curly unit, and I don't want my unit looking boneless, so I try to rewear my unit, and I do 180 density because it allows me to do that for a minute. Like, I think I had another one and it lasted pretty long. It was like just this January where I had to like give it up because it looked boneless. But anyways, I put my band on. I'm putting my hair up. I usually do like a triple, double, quadruple melting method. So basically I'll glue down my lace, let it, you know, marinate, whatever. Then I fix any of the parts that are sticking up, any parts that I need to re-glue down whatsoever. Then I put the Fantasia spritz on, put a band over it, boom, 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 clean it with alcohol, and then I put the spritz on again, put a band on it, and I do this as much as I need to. It's usually like, it's probably like just double. Sometimes, only seldom, I'll do it like 3 times, but as you can see, I'm doing it. Then I'm cleaning off the alcohol. I will say, as a beginner, my Achilles heel is not cleaning off the alcohol in its completion. Like, girl, so I did have to redo my lace because when you don't clean off your glue, it starts to turn into oil and then it separates. So I did have to clean off my lace again, but it was not a real big deal. I do my hair, so like it was an easy fix. But here I'm just attempting to take off as much glue as I can. And also, I will say, when I installed this, I didn't let the glue, like, I added too much glue in one certain area, so I think that might have caused what was happening. I don't know, but either way, I think the install came out okay. This is my first time filming it. I've had better installs. The first time I installed this wig, I feel like it was a little bit better, but it's still good, guys. It's still good. Like, don't play me. And here I'm just hot combing my hair, getting my edges out. I'm fairly new to edges. I'm learning every single day how to do them, but I definitely think I've done so much better.
I'm gonna do my edges. and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. As y'all can, I don't know if y'all could see, but I didn't pull my wig to my ear, so that's gonna be something, but nobody's gonna see that with my hair down. So
all right, y'all, and this is the finished product. As y'all know, I suck at doing outros, but this is it when it's first done. And then this next video is when I fixed it again. And yeah, see y'all.